Hi everyone, this is Gurmail here and I'm a health coach. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with you cauliflower walnut topping, right? So before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start the fire, because then as I'm cooking it, I can talk about it. All right, so just give me a second. Okay, I've got the fire right here. So I'm a health coach, and what I have a purpose here, and my purpose is to help 1,000 people get healthy, just making daily changes in their lives. All right, simple daily changes that are sustainable to make in their life. And so hence why I do the Facebook lives and posts, so that they can benefit from what I'm doing and take that little simple steps and pull it over into your lifestyle. So what I'm going to do today is, it's getting heated up. I have come up with this recipe is called cauliflower walnut topping. So it goes well with soups, it goes well with salads, right? Whatever you have. So I'm going to start cooking and we can talk as we go along. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to put some olive oil. No, coconut oil. You can even put olive oil. Okay, that doesn't matter. And I'm going to do this. Okay. I like the taste of coconut oil, so hence I'm using the coconut oil. And you can use olive oil and, see what you like, what kind of taste you like. And look out tomorrow, the recipe for this is coming out tomorrow, so look out for that. So I've got this almost melting. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to put in the garlic. Yes, I've washed my hands. Alright, always remember that, wash your hands. Okay, and so here you go. Look, it says on the recipe you put all the ingredients in, but I just like to cook the garlic a bit. Alright, get it a little brown. Alright, and just stirring often. Okay. So that's what's happening. Look, if you find this information really helpful, and you think that there is someone, who might want to lose weight, want to get more energy, share with them this recipe, because it's healthy. Alright, so this is cauliflower that's going in. Alright, that's all the cauliflower. And then I've got walnuts. So you can really make them, process them in your food processor and make it really small, or you can chop it up, whichever way you like it. And mine is just chopped up by hand. Okay, so just 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep stirring it consistently. So what it becomes, it becomes crispy and golden, and it's really delicious, because I've tried it already. I've made a lot before with the soup, especially with the cauliflower soup, or your salads, whatever salads you're having. Yeah, I know it's winter, but if you do have a salad, top it up with that, or anything savory that you're having. Okay, it's really yum. It's crispy. I can even eat it on its own like that, so it's really good in that sense. Okay, so I'm just going to keep stirring it, and I'm going to add the other spices. I have a paprika here. Okay, paprika, and I'm going to just take a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just a pinch. Okay, and then some salt. Again, it varies. The salt varies as to how much you want. It's up to you. And I've got some pepper here. Okay. Alright, that's it. All done. So everything is in. That's all you're going to do. You're just going to keep stirring. Okay. Just make it golden brown. Yeah, it's becoming goldenish now. And it becomes crispy. And that's it. So again, why I'm sharing this information is because I'm a health coach, and I want to help 1,000 people become healthy using simple daily routines in their life to lead a healthy lifestyle. you know, and that could also include just losing weight, okay, having more energy, and that's all I will do. And so this is a simple recipe which is healthy. You can do that as a topping, a healthy topping. And like I said, if you find this information really important, or give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, and please share. If you have friends whom you think will benefit from this information, this recipe, please share with them. Alright, so that's it. It's almost done. If you want to have a closer look, yeah, there it goes. Yum. Alright, so yeah, and if you want to add some other spices, please feel free. Add whatever spice you want, and there you go. So the next time you have your mushroom soup, your cauliflower soup, your pumpkin soup, you have a topping that gives you a crunch every time you have a bite. And yeah, there you go. See you next time. Thanks.